Which of the following animals swallow its prey? Snakes. Their jaw is structured in such a way that it allows the mouth to open wider than their own body in order to swallow their prey whole. Snakes do not have the right kind of teeth to chew their food, and they capture the prey whole and swallow it. The process of taking food in the body is known as ingestion. The process where food is taken in through the mouth and broken down by teeth and saliva, it is the first step in the process of nutrition. How many types of teeth are there? There are four types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The glands of mouth which secrete saliva are salivary glands. Starch is broken down into sugars by the action of saliva. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which is capable of breaking down starch into simpler sugar such as maltose. The false feet of amoeba are used for capture of food and movement. The enzymes present in the saliva convert starch into simpler sugar. The salivary gland present in mouth secretes saliva. It contains the enzyme amylase that breaks down into simple sugar. Only about 30% starch digestion takes place in the mouth. The component of food which is complex is all of these. The component of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. These complex substances cannot be utilized as such, so they are broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. The process of breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into simpler water soluble molecules is called digestion. The way of taking food by bees is sucking. All organisms are made of small microscopic units which cannot be seen with the naked eyes, called cells. Organisms get energy through food. The process of breakdown of food in the cell is known as cellular respiration. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration happens in many plants and animals. Name the type of respiration which causes muscle cramps. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the cytoplasm. Anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen, and it happens in human muscle cells, bacteria, yeast, etc. Cellular respiration is carried out by mitochondria. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis, and Golgi bodies are the sites where protein packaging takes place. The acid secreted in the stomach is hydrochloric acid. It helps to kill the harmful bacteria that may enter the food. Which gas is given out during exhalation? Carbon dioxide. The lungs absorb oxygen during inhalation and expel carbon dioxide during exhalation. The air that is exhaled out is also a mixture of gases, but it is rich in carbon dioxide. In the cells, oxygen is used to break down glucose into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Name the term which means taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body. Inhalation. The organ through which fishes breathe is gills. The gills help the fish to take in oxygen dissolved in water. Earthworms breathe through skin. Which gland secretes bile juice? Liver. Bile is a fluid that is made and released by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with the digestion. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. The process through which undigested food is expelled out of the body is called egestion. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. The digestive food is absorbed in small intestine. What is the function of the tongue? Mix the food with saliva and swallow it. The largest gland in the human body is liver.